Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and battery charge. Plug the scanner into a powered USB or RS-232 port so it can negotiate host settings. Once connected, install any cradle or cable clips and power the unit on. Watch the LED and listen for the startup beep. You scan the manufacturer's setup barcode to enter programming mode and check firmware version. Make sure to keep the manual handy. It provides the exact setup barcodes that initialize communication and symbology defaults. Now configure how the scanner speaks to your system. You choose USB HID for keyboard input or USB COM for serial emulation, and you scan that interface barcode to lock it in. Once done, enable only the symbologies you will use. This reduces misreads, and set any prefix or suffix like a carriage return so scans go into the right field. Next, set scan mode and aiming pattern to match your workflow, plus volume and beep feedback so you can confirm good reads instantly. Finish by validating end-to-end operation. You scan sample labels of each symbology and confirm data appears correctly in your application. If scans are inconsistent, perform a quick sensor calibration or update firmware. These fix read range and decoding issues. Make sure to test different distances and angles to understand limits. If nothing works, try basic troubleshooting. Swap cables, change USB ports, or switch to a different interface type. As a last resort, perform a factory reset and reapply your programmed settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.